What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my first video, my name is Waylon at the Masks at Camp Blood here on YouTube and Facebook. What I'm going to be showing you in my first video here, I'm going to be showing you how to attach the straps to this Part 5 hockey mask that I did for my buddy Johnny. Shout out to him because I really appreciate him being so patient in me getting this mask done. I know it's taken way too long, but we're almost there. So, the way the Part 5 straps attach is with these little cap rivets. It's not like the Part 3 and 4 masks where it's the snaps. That's what originally came on this mask. I took those off because they just weren't accurate. So yeah, it's going to be these little cap rivets. And the way that works is the way those attach is with a rivet setter. Now, the one that I have comes in this pack from Michael's. You can probably get it from Hobby Lobby or Joann's or whatever craft store you have. So that's what it comes in, is rivets. And it's going to have a button and basically your setter handle tool. And this has a flat side and a concave side, as well as the button. Same thing, concave, flat on the other side. The way that works is, in this instance, for this mask, flip it over to the back here, let me show you. Alright, so here's the hole we're going to put the rivet in. So here's the post for the cap rivet. As you can see, if I can get the camera to focus at all, it's got this little post here that has you see that little kink in the post right there? Now what that's for is, the way these rivets work is off of compression essentially, which is why the hammer. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that post, put it through the back side of the hole in the mask, and you end up with this. Alright, so from that point, what you're going to do is take your strap and just slide it over the post on that side, like so. Alright, once you got the strap through the post there, or the post through the strap, you take that the cap for that rivet and you slide it on the top. Alright, so you're going to end up with this. So, how to actually set this is you take your handle tool. It's got the concave side right here. And with the button, I would normally use the concave side if this was a double cap rivet, but since it only has one cap, I'm going to flip it over and use the flat side. So that way the rivet gets a little tighter. And all you're going to do is, say, we'll use the corner of the table in this instance, and you're going to set that back side of the post that kind of looks like an eyelet. You're going to set that on that button. Now, then you're going to take the concave side of the tool and put it on top of that rivet. And then what you'll do is take a swing at it with a hammer. Take a good few swings just to make sure it's tight with a hammer. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done there. It's kind of hard to actually do it with, only one hand available, though, as I'm recording this on my phone. So I'll go ahead and do it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so here we have it. The straps are all done on this mask. This is the Part 5. Once again, it's the Part 5 Roy mask. And there's the snap I showed you, or the rivet I told you showed you that I was going to set in this one. There's the front, and there's what the back side of it looks like. as you can see on the other two as well. Yeah, so I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoyed this mask. Expect more videos in the near future because I have my Part 8 mask on the way, which everyone voted for on my personal Facebook. From this point forward, I will be holding polls on both YouTube and my Facebook page, which once again is The Masks of Camp Blood. Thanks for checking it out. Hope you liked it. Have a good one.